Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. It's been a while since I've done any felt crafts on the channel to demonstrate, so I thought I'd finally do a tutorial on some axolotl plushies. Here's a list of everything you need. You can of course switch up the fabric to minky if you wanted to, but this works just as good in felt. The pattern is linked in the description and is for free for my DeviantArt and my Pinterest. This is a free use pattern, which means you can sell anything you make from it as long as I'm credited for the pattern. The first thing you need to do is place both body sides together, tracing sides showing, and begin sewing them together along the top straight edge. Just before you begin sewing the tail, tuck in the tail fin so it points inwards and join it in along the tracing line. For felt, I like going back over my stitches to reduce the amount of exposed seam on bigger pieces. After that, take the gill feelers and cut in small slits that are evenly spaced. Then, place the feelers inside of two gill pieces that are tracing side up and begin sewing them together with the feelers inside the seam line also, leaving the straight edge open, and turning the feelers to match the tracing lines as you do. Once done, flip it upright. Repeat the same with the second gill. Once done, take each headpiece and use the pattern piece to draw in a dot where you're going to insert the safety eye. Create a small hole and insert the eye, securing the cup around the back once done. Then place both headpieces together and sew them together around the curve. Tuck in the gills so they point inwards between the short square edge of the head pieces on each side and the side body pieces, and join them all together. And finally, align this to the bottom body piece and begin sewing them together. I started the sewing line at the tail. Leave enough gap to flip and stuff it. Use an invisible stitch to seal off the gap. And that is how you make an axolotl plushie. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!